Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, love you all, and you love us so beautiful, so amazing, so perfect videos. And this video is all about the cup coaster designs, crochet cup coaster ideas for used in different things, for taking teapot and difference use in kitchen things, like more much amazing videos for helpful for kitchens, and more stunning videos, and make a tea for and put out in cup, and for more stunning and more take it safe for tea in cup coasters. You will be amazing videos, you will be gorgeous designs we have to share with you. We have to share with newly attractive videos, newly attractive designs, more stunning and fabulous videos we have to share with newly things, ideas. Keep amazing, keep sharing more stunning videos of different designs of cup coasters. Cup coasters are used in different things, different newly attractive designs, ideas. Hope you guys like all these perfective videos, so elegant videos. Cup coasters, it's more creative and demanding videos, demanding designs we have to share with you. We have to share with newly attractive designs and more much amazing designs, and just looking so gorgeous videos and more stunning and fabulous videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All newly members, all newly subscribers will amazing in different topics of cup coasters. Cup coasters are different designs for 2024. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. More fabulous videos, so let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, love you.